Hello everyone, welcome to the Rover Lab. In this video, we are going to look at the technical details of Spirit and Opportunity Rovers. So Spirit and Opportunity Rovers land on the Mars back in 2004. The Opportunity Rover able to work more than 14 years and the Spirit Rover able to work more than 6 years. So let's see the technical details of these two rovers. At the bottom of the rover, we can see wheels and the suspension system. This rover have 6 wheel design and each wheel have a separate motor. Each motor able to control individually and it help to drive rover on Mars smoothly. The suspension system is the rocker bogie suspension mechanism. Because of this system, all the wheels of the rover able to touch Mars surface all the time. It is very helpful because the rover able to move forward or backward with necessary power without overuse some motors. If any motor overused, there is a high chance to reduce the performance of that wheel and that cause to reduce the efficiency of the whole system. But rocker bogie suspension system help to overcome this issue successfully. The next part of the rover is warm electronic box, WEB in short form. This box contains most sensitive electronic components of rover, including rover computer and communication systems. These components can operate between minus 40 degrees Celsius to plus 40 degrees Celsius temperature. But on Mars, the average temperature is around minus 63 degrees Celsius, which is far lower than required temperature. We have to bring it up to the safe margin, otherwise these components cannot survive and whole operation will be destroyed. To heat up these electronics, the WEB is covered with gold foil to keep warm inside. Further, there are 3 radioisotope heaters, which are radioactive materials that generate heat as a result of controlled nuclear reactions. In addition, there is electronic heater unit to make additional heat that needed. The main computer of the rover was RAD 6000 and it has 128 megabit DRAM and 3 megabit EEPROM and 256 MB flash memory. So this computer also included inside the warm electronic box. The power source of the rovers was solar power. Both rovers had large solar panels and at the start of the mission they were able to generate 900 watt-hour of power. This power was used to recharge batteries and continue the daytime operations. Each rover had 2 lithium-ion batteries. Each battery had 8 cells with 8 ampere-hour capacity. So this battery power is used to do nighttime operation as well as they used to power the electronic heaters during the nighttime. Rover arm is important component. This mechanical arm helps to get close to soil and the rock samples to extract more closer details. At the end of the arm, there are different set of science tools to get information of these rocks and soil samples. Let's go through one by one. The first one is Mossbauer spectrometer. So this one is used to close up investigations of mineralogy of iron bearing rocks and regolith. The next one is the alpha particle X-ray spectrometer. This one is used for close up analysis of abundances of elements that make up rocks and regolith. There were electric magnets for collecting magnetic dust particles of Mars surface. The next one is the microscopic imager. This one used to obtain close-up and high-resolution images of rocks and regoliths. Finally, the rock aberration tool. So this one is used for exposes fresh material of examinations by instrument on board, such as the microscopic imager, alpha particle spectrometer, Morse-Bauer spectrometer, and other scientific tools that included in the rover. The last part that we are going to discuss in this video is communication. Both rovers have two antennas, and these antennas can communicate with Earth directly. One antenna was omnidirectional antenna, which has a low gain, and also it can communicate with very low data rates. The other antenna is a directional high gain antenna, and this one can have a better data rate compared to the omnidirectional antenna. The directional antenna able to steer itself to maintain line of sight with Earth to continue the communication. But sometimes rover cannot have line of sight with Earth because it is in opposite side due to the Mars rotation. During that time, rover can have communication with Mars orbiters if available. Okay, this is the end of the video, and we think you got some high level understanding about the technical details of Spirit and Opportunity rovers. So before end the video, I would like to introduce myself and our team. So I am Dhanuka, and in our team we have another member, Lahiru. So together we are doing this YouTube channel to find the details about the space rovers, and our target is to make our own space rover one day. So keep in touch. See you in next video.